What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, back out at the park today with the ready-made RC Mini Recruit. You saw me in the last video put this thing together, and we got it all working. AR6210 and the Tattoo 1300 milliamp hour inside. Everything else is completely stock on this straight out of the box. I'm really excited to get this thing going. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing a slight launch. A little bit of wind coming from the west. I'm gonna throw it into the launch stabilization mode. It's not self-leveling, but should do the trick. And look at that, it just climbs straight out of it like it's nothing. And wow. First off, I can say the throws are very small on this. I need to up my throws for sure. But hey, this thing is seriously... Wow, this just feels so smooth. Let's try the self-leveling mode out. It's interesting. Self-leveling dials your throws back way too far, in my opinion. So we're just gonna take it back into the what would be similar to like the Horizon Hobby AS3X versus Safe. Safe is wings level. AS3X is just gonna smoothen things out for you guys. But you can see this thing is flying great. It's hard to see, even with this, partly cloudy skies right here. I'm definitely gonna add some more, design on the bottom, like I did with the Mini Arrow. But dang, this thing is nice and smooth, even in this 10 mile per hour wind, I'd say. Plenty of power, as I assumed, with this 5x45 prop and the 1806 2400 kV motor on this Mini. And I was contemplating getting a normal size Recruit, but I thought that I'd go for the Mini because first off, I have the Arrow, which is about the same size as the normal size Recruit, and I decided this one is better because it's obviously just a little bit more portable, and it's a little bit more of a relaxed FPV ship. And obviously, I think the portability is a big factor, but you can also fly it in a lot less of an area. I definitely need to work on my rates to fix this plane, because seriously, even with this stabilization on here, it's just, I feel like I'm using up all of my throws. It's definitely beginner oriented, these stabilization features, but that's simply just because of these systems being made so that you can jerk the sticks around. So if I up the rates on here manually on this thing, because if you up the rates in the transmitter, it's gonna go ahead and mess with your stabilization features. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it straight on the elevator, or on the elevons. Add some expo for sure. Yeah, but she's flying nicely. Do a high-speed pass. That was a hands-off high-speed pass, which you can't really do. It's probably a good 50 or 60 right there. This is only on 3-cell too, so if I go down to a 4S, which I'm getting some more 4S packs in here very soon, but if I go up to a 4-cell pack with like 800 milliamp hours, this is going to be crazy. But thankfully, speed isn't really the name of the game here, even though this thing does it well. Name of the game is FPV. I don't have FPV on here yet, but it is flying just nice and stable as is. And I'm guessing you can get a good 10 or 15 out of this 1300 milliamp hour battery. Let's go ahead and put it in for landing. My fingers are getting kind of cold here. It's got a ridiculous glide slope. I'm gonna go around so I don't have to make a walk of shame. Slow it down. There we go, right in front of me. That is beautiful. Ready-made RC Mini Recruit. Love this thing. And obviously it is EPP. It's a little bit different. It's got some grass all over the bottom now. I gotta wipe that off. Hopefully nothing got in the internals. Either way, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go ahead and show your support by liking and subscribing, as well as commenting any questions you have down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.